These AI survival ASMR videos are going viral right now. And in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own AI survival ASMR video in just a few minutes using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's jump in and get started. Step 1. Generate viral video ideas. First, we need viral video ideas. Open ChatGPT and paste in the master prompt. It will generate 20 viral video ideas, each formatted as a clickable YouTube title. Simply reply with the number you like. Next, ChatGPT will ask for the video length. Enter your desired length, and it will calculate how many scenes you'll need and write the story scene by scene. Step 2. Generate image prompts. Next, we need a consistent character for your video. In the same chat, ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for creating a reference character. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, you can customize details like hairstyle, outfit, or accessories. Then type, "Generate image prompts for each scene," and ChatGPT will create detailed image prompts for you to use. Step 3. Generate AI images. Now, open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. The download link is in the description below. Click AI image on the left menu. Under text to image, choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Paste the character reference prompt from ChatGPT, select your settings, and click Generate. Once you have your reference image, you can use it to generate all scenes with consistent character appearance. To generate scene images, simply click Reference Image, upload your character image, paste the prompt for each scene, and click Generate. Now you'll have 8K images like this. Step 4. Turn images into cinematic videos. Now let's bring your images to life. In ChatGPT, ask it to generate video prompts for each scene. Then go back to Edimakor, right-click your scene image, and choose Image to Video. Paste the video prompt, set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, turn on Generate Audio, and click Generate. Repeat this process for all scenes. Each image will now be transformed into a cinematic video. Step 5. Final editing and export. Drag all your generated clips onto the timeline in order. Add smooth transitions or text if you like. Preview your video, and once you're satisfied, export it in 4K. And just like that, your AI survival ASMR video is ready to go viral. All the prompts will be shared in our Telegram and Discord channels, so make sure to join and subscribe so you never miss new ideas and templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.